Hi guys, back at you with another video. This time we're gonna be feeding the Oscar some wormies. So we got the worms. Let's get the first worm. They got it. The new convict. I hope he's a male. Right down there. Lecco got a rock on his back. Female convict. She dug out that hole right there. Of course, they just lost this thermometer. Boom, got it. Farmouth down there. He's probably gonna jump. There he goes, he got it! Nom nom nom. There's the dirt from the worm. Oh, nope. Ah! Last worm. Oh. So yeah, that's pretty much the tank, and the Oscar's eating the worms.